tripods provide stability, reduce blur, enable long exposure shots, improve framing, and support professional quality photography in any lighting condition. Today's video is about top 5 best tripod for photography that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at KraftGeek Magnetic Phone Tripod for iPhone. The KraftGeek Just Tap Tripod stands out as a smart, creator-friendly tool designed for convenience and versatility. Its auto-open design makes setup incredibly quick. Just a single tap transforms it into a stable tripod, perfect for spontaneous or filming without fumbling or damaging your nails. The strong N52 magnetic mount ensures a secure, clamp-free hold, especially for MagSafe compatible iPhones, while still supporting Android devices with included metal rings. This snap-on feature feels smooth and reliable every time. Dual-axis adjustment adds excellent flexibility, allowing effortless angle changes for vlogging, overhead shots, or creative framing. The adjustable height, extending up to 66 inches, makes it suitable for everything from close-ups to full-body shots. Despite its sturdy aluminum build, it remains lightweight and compact, ideal for travel. The widened tripod base with anti-slip feet provides solid stability on various surfaces. Finally, the detachable Bluetooth remote, up to 33-foot range, makes hands-free shooting easy, making this tripod a great companion for content creators and everyday users alike. Now our second product is Amazon Basics Portable Camera Tripod Stand. This camera mount tripod stand is a practical and budget-friendly option for casual photographers and content creators. Designed with portability in mind, it weighs just 1.23 pounds and folds down making it easy to carry in the included zippered storage bag, ideal for travel, hiking, or outdoor shoots. The adjustable height ranges from 16.1 inches to 50 inches, supported by 3-section lever-lock legs that allow quick and hassle-free setup. Its 3-way head provides smooth tilt and swivel motion, giving you flexibility to shoot in both portrait and landscape modes. The built-in bubble level ensures accurate alignment, which is especially helpful for steady, professional-looking shots. The quick-release plate is another convenient feature, allowing fast transitions between shots without wasting time. While it performs well for smartphones, action cameras, and lightweight setups, it's not suitable for heavy DSLR cameras or large lenses, as it supports up to 4.4 pounds. Overall, it's a reliable, lightweight tripod perfect for everyday use and beginners. Our third product is KF Concept Camera Tripod. This tripod impresses with its innovative pentagonal tube design, offering a perfect balance of stability and portability. Weighing just 2.6 pounds and folding down to a compact 19.6 inches, it's easy to carry on trips, outdoor shoots, or even rugged terrains without feeling bulky. The 2-in-1 adjustable holder adds excellent versatility, securely supporting both smartphones and tablets. With strong grip and rubber padding, your device stays protected and steady, ideal for video recording, live streaming, or online meetings. Its adjustable height, ranging from 18.9 inches to an impressive 75 inches, makes it suitable for a variety of shooting scenarios. The 360 degrees rotatable 3-way pan head allows smooth panning and tilting, while the built-in bubble level ensures precise alignment for professional-looking results. Flexible shooting angles, including full horizontal and vertical rotation, make creative framing effortless. The included Bluetooth remote, up to 472 inches range, enables convenient hands-free operation. Overall, this tripod is a versatile, reliable choice for both beginners and professionals. Now number 4, Ulanzi Camera Tripod. This flexible tripod is a compact yet highly versatile tool for content creators and photographers. One of its standout features is the hidden phone mount with a cold shoe, allowing you to attach accessories like a microphone or LED light, perfect for enhancing blog and selfie quality. The built-in 1/4 thread adds expandability, making it compatible with additional gear like magic arms for more advanced setups. With wide compatibility, it supports both smartphones, 65 to 95 mm width, and DSLR cameras from brands like Sony, Canon, and Nikon, making it a great all-in-one solution. The ball head design enables smooth 180 degrees rotation, allowing quick switching between vertical and horizontal shooting. This flexibility is ideal for social media content, photography, and video recording. What truly sets it apart is its octopus-style flexible legs, which can wrap around objects like poles, fences, or tree branches, giving you creative shooting angles anywhere. Overall, it's a portable, adaptable tripod perfect for travel, vlogging, and everyday use. And our last choice is NEEWER entry-level version tripod for cell phone. The NEEWER entry-level tripod is a simple, beginner-friendly solution designed for users who want essential features without complexity. Built from heavy-duty aluminum alloy, it remains lightweight at just 1.25 pounds while still offering strong stability for everyday shooting. Its foldable design, 16.9-inch, and included carrying bag make it highly portable for travel, vlogging, or on-the-go content creation. This tripod supports both smartphones and cameras, including DSLR, mirrorless, and action cameras, with a load capacity of up to 3.3 pounds. The adjustable phone holder, 55 to 85 mm, ensures wide compatibility with popular devices like iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and Google Pixel models. A cold shoe mount also allows attachment of microphones or LED lights for improved content quality. The quick-release plate enables smooth switching between portrait and landscape orientations, while the 360 degrees pan head and wide tilt range offer flexible shooting angles. Height adjustment from 16.5-inch to 57.5, plus an extendable center column, gives added versatility. Overall, it's a reliable entry-level tripod ideal for beginners and casual creators. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.